Welcome to the channel, everyone. Model Car Guy Rich here. I just got back from the Detroit area auto modelers show in southeast Michigan. These are a few items I picked up. A couple of the goon cars. There's the old Turtle Wax van kit. I'll do some unboxings on these when time permits. There's a 68 Mercury, 76 Caprice. Sorry about the lighting. 63 Chevy Nova station wagon. Grumpy's Vega. 74 Plymouth Roadrunner. 79 Nova. Looking forward to that kit. That's a cool one. And then this one here, the 65 Ford F100 service truck. The show was really nice. A lot of people there. Good turnout. I couldn't do any recording there. They had a lot of music playing and that, so I just figured I'd do a little side video here when I got back. So stay tuned for all the unboxings on these. Hope everyone's having a great day, and we'll see you on the next one. Model Car Guy Rich out. Keep on modeling.